Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Novah here, and today we are in the kitchen doing a little bit of meal prep. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and I just figured since I was going to be cooking, why not record? So I just finished cutting up the Brussels sprouts, and now I'm going to season them and put them in the oven. I have the oven preheating at 380. So I'm not going to season them too much because I'm going to put a sauce on them when they are almost done cooking. So I'm just going to use a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And I'm going to spray them with some avocado oil. So to go with the Brussels sprouts, I'm going to make some chicken thighs that I'm going to season with a little bit of stuff and then put it in the stove and then finish it off in the oven. So I already washed the chicken thighs. So now I'm just going to season them up with some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, salt, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this Famous Dave's chicken seasoning that I have, which is really, really good. So I'm just going to go light on the other seasonings just because this already has a bunch of stuff mixed in. And I think that's enough. I'm just gonna let that sit. I am gonna cook a salad with bacon, so I'm gonna cook the bacon for the salad so I can use the bacon grease to cook my chicken in. So all the meals, like, I'm trying to keep them kind of simple and healthy, but I also do follow a keto diet. So I do like to kind of use my natural fats and try to cook my food in that. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm just gonna get my pan with the bacon set up, and then we'll be back. So while my bacon is cooking, like I said, the bacon is for a salad. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna season the steak I have for the salad. So I'm making a BLT salad with steak. So I had some, I believe these are New York strips that was in the freezer. I took them out last night to thaw. So I'm just going to season them up just to continue to prep the items for the steak, since I have to wait for the bacon to finish before I can move on to cooking the chicken. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So my bacon has finished cooking. I don't know if my camera's upside down or not. My bacon's finished cooking. So now I have the bacon grease that I can cook my chicken in, and I'm just going to add some grass-fed butter to the pan as well to mix with the grease. And I know you keep seeing me using plastic forks. I do have a bad habit of cooking with plastic forks, only because it's just easier for me to throw them in the trash after versus doing dishes. gonna cook this over medium high heat to kind of get like a nice little crisp on it. And like I said, I'm gonna cook them, and then I'm also gonna put them in the oven. So my Brussels sprouts is almost done. Let's see. This is what they're looking like. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this red hot honey sauce on it. And put it back in there for a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to put this back in the oven for like a few minutes just to kind of let that sauce thicken and kind of get stuck to the Brussels sprouts. And then we'll be back. Alright guys, so now I'm going to cook the steak for my salad. I'm not going to assemble the salad, but I just want to have the steak cooked so when it's time for me to make the salad, everything's already kind of prepared and I don't have to wait for the steak to cook. I can just kind of mix it up. So I got a cast iron skillet with some oil and some butter in it. And I've been letting my steaks sit out to come to temperature. And I'm just going to put them in the pan. And it should be hot enough for me to get a good sear on it. Let's hope. So I'm gonna use this thing. It's for like burgers, but I'm just gonna use it in here to kind of keep the steaks pressed down to make sure that it gets a good even sear. Alright, so this is the finished chicken. I'm just going to let it cool down because I'm not going to keep them whole. I'm going to cut them up in pieces before I separate them in my containers. This is what it looks like. And it may look a little dry, but I promise you it's not dry. If anything, you can see that the juices are running. And let me just see if I like take a little piece. It's not dry. It's not dry. So but yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down before I cut it up and then distribute it for my meal prep. So this is the steak. I just took it out of the oven. I'm going to let it rest before I slice it up. Like I said, this is for the salad. I'm not going to assemble the salad. I just wanted to make sure that the things that I needed was prep for it, like the steak and the bacon. So yeah, this is it.